Alrighty, week 2. First of all, we're going to point out the hock, the Achilles tendon, and the toes for question number 1. For question number 2, flexion extension of the hock. Again, this is the hock. This would be extension of the hock and flexion of the hock. And we have extension of the toe, flexion of the toe, extension, flexion, extension, flexion, extension, flexion on a foot with nails that need to be trimmed. Good. And the web spaces. Web spaces are spaces here in between the toes. We'll check them all out. Good boy. I think you can see that good enough. Good boy. For question number 3, we're going to redo a review of flexion and extension of a variety of things. For our hip, this would be extension of the hip. Good boy. Flexion of the hip. Good boy. Extension of the stifle. Flexion of the stifle. Extension of the hock. Flexion of the hock. We'll just do all our toes at once. Extension of the toes and flexion of the toes. Good boy.